was recording instead of doing live streaming. So yeah, that happens. And that reminds me that I need to download the stream from yesterday. Let me just put on out here. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's continue. This is the input, and I was going in the red type C. Close this. So this code is fine. Yes, I need that. Yes. So retype password. I think it's okay. We can move on. I need to take out all these console logs. Is there any other console log? So many fun. Where was that? Oh, here. Yes. I'm gonna change the subject. Look at that. Looks perfect. Oh, no, put the arrows or not. Password. Okay. Manager, and let me check also right type seed how the errors are. There's a margin top. Let me take that. Put it here. An absolute? No, I don't need absolute. I think so. Double check. Okay, so you need something else. The input. inside. But now I need this absolute. Those really separated like that? Yeah, they are. They are. They are really separated. Hmm. So I guess I don't need this right here. Sorry, I have a message here. Okay, so I have a meeting in 30 minutes. So let's see what I can do. You know, let's try to explain. I don't know. No, let's try to continue doing this because I think it's important. I'm probably gonna need to have some sort of like a label component because this is, yeah, you see here, this is not going well. Muted hover is the same. The muted normal is 300 and here is 700. Muted hover. So let me see here, also label muted hover. So, like the cool thing about this is that I'm using CSS variables for that, and I'm setting the CSS variable to the actual Tailwind color that I want And that's cool. So yeah, now I have theme light and theme dark, and I'm just changing that in my body, in the top level element of my components with this toggle. That's it. And that's how I'm changing from this to this, like magic. What? Yes, it's just a class change. See here? Let me select you, dark, light, and everything is following. You see that the naming here and the naming here is the same. That's the important part, that you keep the naming between both, and that's it. That's the only change that you need. And also in the Tailwind config, you need to set your colors. So you see that I'm actually like retrieving the CSS variable value. So this will help you to get this type of, like you see text muted hover. Text muted hover is not coming from Tailwind. It's coming from my config on Tailwind. So also secondary hover, that's things that are not there by default. It's being created by Tailwind because I set it up here in the config. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah, let's continue. I need to make sure that let me just open retype for 1 sec here. I just need to make sure that this label input, like mix, is the same as the other one. And here, I have this because I have the error. That's why I have this div here. I don't need that div. I can use this one. Okay, so yeah, I can use, this is the first password. This is flex1. Actually, let me just go back. That will work. So now is there. Why? Oh, because it's absolute. Yes. So let's do relative. Now it's there, but I need also margin bottom of 12. I had 12 before, but I think 12 is too much, so let's do 8. I think 8 is good. And this flex1 relative, the input has its own classes, and then I'm just showing this if is not correct. Let me see how well. Oh, 2 is good. So I think I can do the same here in retype. What happens if I do 2? Let's go back. That's too much here. Why is too much though? What's the difference? Because of that box? Yeah, the label is flex, yes, because I want this one like on the side of the other one. So here's a box, and the box has this thing right here. Is absolutely okay. Why here margin bottom is 12? There's something that is not spacing correctly. So I have this margin bottom 12, and I may do margin top. instead of margin bottom. So this is the first one. I'm not gonna do anything here. Oh, but this is a map. Aha. Okay, so because it's a map, I need to retrieve the index and index. So now let's see what happens. Okay, now they're all together. That's good. So now if I do background danger. Oh. Background danger. Okay. So it's the whole box. And this is the one that I want to have running. So let me just do that. Okay. And then here I will do if index, then margin top 8. Okay. So that means that the first one, no margin. The second one has a margin. 12, 8 is too little. So let's do 10. I think 10 is all right. Let's just try 12. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it at 10. I prefer. Yeah, 10. Let's do 10. So now this is something that I can use because the label, of course, is gonna be on the side. But here, I can do the same. I can do this. Here, because I don't have a map, I can do it by hand. So I have a label and an input and error. So these are all together. I don't want margin bottom here, but here margin bottom 6. So let's just go to that page. Okay. And of course I need more spacing. This is one. So if I do NT10, what about NT12? So let's keep this to NT12. So make it consistent. So now here is MT12, and now I have this margin top. Let's just do 1. And here the error has also needs to be like this. So we just copy that, paste here. Whoa! And also, what else am I missing? I'm missing the relative. Hey, the flying dev. Who? Yeah, I know you. How are you? How's it going? I have like 10 minutes more because I had a meeting at 3 here in Barcelona. So Fabio, yeah, I know. Yeah. Party Corky, like Discord. If you're not there, you should go. You should join. It's amazing. And yeah, I'm working on some theming. with Tailwind and React. So yeah. Open. Save. Yes. Why this is not? Why you are not following? Oh, left 0. It should be the same, right? Left 0, empty 1. This compiling? Yes, it's compiling. Y1 is... Yes, this is relative. Of course. There's a typo. There you go. No Gatsby, no. Here I'm using NextJS, but it could be the same. Like it's the same for what I'm doing. And just to give you a little like recap, simply, it's not simply. Tailwind config. I set up, I extend the colors for Tailwind using CSS variables, and then I went to the index CSS file when I'm importing everything here, and I set those variables below a class. So theme light here and theme dark. They are all the same, but of course different values. And then I have a context component that just change the theme, and essentially it's just changing a class name in the top, and that's it, and that's what I did, and this is the result. So I can just change, and you see that colors change magically. And the transition is because of the same component that has the theme light class has also this class. So content transition, and that's it. That's a brilliant way. Yeah, I think it's a clean way to do it, and I just stumbled upon that in hey, how's it going, Kurt? Yeah, unfortunately I had to steal that. Yeah, you can steal whatever you want, man. I think I'm gonna do a repo, and I'm gonna do a video showing this because people seems to like it. So yeah, I'm gonna do it maybe tonight. This, what else? Yeah, Kurt, I'm sorry, but I need to go like in 10 minutes or 15, something like that, to a meeting. So yeah, I'm just doing that. I'm changing everything. I'm making sure that everything works properly, and just continue with the screens. So yes. So now, okay. Oh, the phrase checks it. Okay, yeah, sure. So I need to do it properly. If not, it's complaining. I'm just hanging there, yeah. Oh, so really initialize. Okay, so I need to do something. Sorry. because this backend is actually, it's going to be running locally, so it's creating files. So I need to make sure that that seed file is not there. So I can just close this, and now I can click next. And it's going to create the seed. Why is it not sending me to the next page? Oh, damn it, again. I will need to await this. I need to do it again. Okay. Okay, for some reason it'll send me to the next page. I'm just gonna go. Kind of working. Kind of working. I need to make sure that this is properly set up. So let's go to edit profile. Let's do the same here. So I have flex. Just open create password over here. It's a flex and relative. And then, okay, here is not good. This needs to be retype seed, label, text body muted. Okay, so create password, text body muted, and also in this label, text body muted. So here again, margin bottom one. Is there margin bottom one? Yes, it's margin bottom one. And the label, good. And now flex margin top. It's 12. And also relative. So again, just copy. Okay, there's too many labels now. So I might need to change this to a label component. And that's something that I can refactor. So yeah, okay, label text muted, input. I need to change the type. Type can be also email. Okay, name. Okay, name is working. Good. Input. Why is complaining? Is missing. Name email. Type email. Blah blah blah. So here I have danger. And danger is here. This is the asset for danger. Okay. Oh, I have italic here. I don't think I need italic. So yeah, in one relative again. And of course the label I need to check. Yes, it's here. Semi-bold name. Okay. So now if I go here. And I need not MT6 but MT12. Yeah.
Okay, there's something here that is adding extra. NT12. Okay. It's because of the error.
That's why it feels
more. But NT12 seems to be
the right size. Okay, so I need to also. Is it? Oh, there's no form or anything here. Set it up, so
I need to set up
that. And also, let me see here. There's any bar
level. Avatar needs to be
capital
letter.
Email also to your
also. This box needs to change. Avatar container, opacity button, transition, duration, 300. And this is the input. Now on the box. There's no. What's this box color coming from?
Okay, here.
So let me just change that avatar container. I don't know why I did that.
I put it
down there.
Who knows? So
where's the container? Here.
So
here this needs to be
background.
On which color? Let's do
background muted. Yep.
Sounds
Like it is.
And then also let's
Okay, I need to do that. I also learn about. Okay, I need to go. I also learn about hover.
Let me
show you.
Notifications. Where is Kyle? Kyle, the amazing Kyle. There it is.
He linked to me this, so you see that I can even.
Can I change it? No.
So if you have a, you can add a group class, and then if you have also a prefix element to change the classes. And this is amazing. I didn't know that. So you see that I'm actually changing the color of the text of these elements because I'm covering this group. And that's fucking cool. So yeah, I think I'm gonna change a bunch of like places when I did this like emotion concatenation to use that. And that's it for now. I'm going for a meeting, and then I think I'm gonna come back. So see you soon. Yeah. All right. Thanks for stopping by.